Hello and welcome back to English Success Hub Academy, the #1 place to grow your English and change your life. If this is your first time here, welcome. You made a great decision today, and if you are coming back, I see you and I am proud of you for showing up again. Today's video is very special because I'm going to share with you 5 secrets to speak English fluently, secrets that most teachers never tell their students. These are not boring grammar rules. These are real strategies used by real people who went from zero English to confident, fluent speakers. So stay until the end because secret number 5 is the most powerful one of all. Let's go! Let me be honest with you for a moment. Millions of people study English for years, and they still cannot speak confidently. Why? Because they study English, but they never use English. There is a huge difference between studying a language and actually speaking it. You can memorize 5,000 words. You can know every grammar rule. But if your mouth never practices speaking, you will never be fluent. Fluency lives in your mouth, not in your notebook. So today, everything I share with you is about getting English out of your head and into your real life. Okay, let's jump into the secrets. Secret number 1, stop waiting until your English is good enough to start speaking. This is the #1 mistake learners make. They say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. I will speak when I know more vocabulary. I will speak when I feel more confident. But that day never comes. Because confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Think about swimming. You cannot learn to swim by reading a book about swimming. You have to jump in the water. Yes, you will swallow water. Yes, it will be uncomfortable, but that is how you learn. English is the same. Start speaking today with the English you already have, even if it is just 10 words. Even if your grammar is not perfect, start now. The beginner who speaks broken. English every day will always beat the advanced student who waits for perfection. Your action step today, have one conversation in English. With a friend, with yourself, with your phone's voice assistant, it doesn't matter. Just speak. Secret number 2, stop learning single words. Start learning whole phrases. Most English courses teach you words like happy, sad, tired, busy. That's fine. But in real conversations, nobody just says one word. They say phrases like, I'm absolutely exhausted. I've been really busy lately. That honestly made my day. I have no idea what you mean. Can you say that one more time? When you learn phrases, ready-made, natural phrases, your speaking becomes faster and smoother immediately. You don't have to build every sentence from zero. You already have the building blocks ready in your brain. Here are 5 phrases you can use starting today in almost any conversation. That's a really good point. When you agree, I was just thinking the same thing. When you relate, to be honest with you, when you want to share your opinion, could you slow down a little, please? When someone speaks too fast, let me think about that for a second to give yourself time to think. Write these down. Practice them. Use them tomorrow. Secret number 3, 20 minutes a day beats 2 hours once a week. Every time. Your brain learns through repetition. Every day you use English, your brain builds stronger and stronger connections to the language. But if you study for 2 hours on Sunday and Forget about English for the rest of the week. Those connections break down and you start from almost zero again. So here is a simple daily routine that takes only 20 minutes. Morning minus 5 minutes. Look in the mirror and speak English. Describe your plans for the day. Talk about the weather. Say how you feel. It sounds silly, but it works powerfully. During the day to 10 minutes, watch a short English video just like this one and repeat sentences out loud. Don't just listen, speak. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Evening minus 5 minutes. Review your day in English. In your head or out loud. What happened? What did you do? How do you feel? That is all. 20 minutes every day. Do this for 30 days and come back and tell me how different your English feels. I promise you, you will be amazed. Okay, secret number 4. And I know you might not like this one. Record yourself speaking English. I know. Most people hate hearing their own voice. But this is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking. Here is why. When you listen back to yourself, you notice things you never noticed while speaking. Maybe you'd speak too fast. Maybe you forget articles like and the. Maybe your pronunciation of certain words is not clear. You become your own teacher. Here's how to do it. Pick any topic, your hobby, your day, your favorite movie. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Press record on your phone and just talk, then listen back. Ask yourself, was I easy to understand? Did I pause too much? Were there words I struggled with? Then practice again. Record again. Compare. This simple exercise will improve your speaking faster than almost anything else because you are getting real feedback, honest, personal, specific feedback every single time. And now, secret number 5, the most important one, the one that changes everything. Change how you feel about mistakes. Right now, most English learners see mistakes as something bad, something embarrassing, something to avoid, but I want you to see mistakes completely differently starting today. Every mistake is a gift. Every time you say the wrong word, you are learning the right word. Every time your grammar is wrong, you are discovering how grammar actually works. Every time someone doesn't understand you, you are learning how to communicate more clearly. The fastest learners in the world are not the ones who make 0 mistakes. They are the ones who are not afraid of mistakes. Think about babies learning their first language. They make mistakes constantly. They say things wrong. Adults laugh, but lovingly. And the baby keeps going. No embarrassment, no shame, just pure learning. You have to bring that same fearless energy to your English. The next time you make a mistake, don't say, "I'm so embarrassed." Say, "Interesting. Now I know what to fix." That one mindset shift from shame to curiosity will accelerate your English growth more than any textbook ever could. You are not failing. You are learning, and learning is always worth celebrating. Let's quickly go through our 5 secrets one more time. Secret 1, stop waiting to be ready. Speak now with what you have. Secret 2, learn phrases, not just single words. Secret 3 to 20 minutes of English every single day. Secret 4, record your voice and learn from yourself. Secret 5, fall in love with your mistakes. They are your teachers. Pick just one of these today. Start with one. build the habit, then add more. Small steps, done consistently, will take you further than you can imagine. And that is everything for today's lesson here on English Success Hub Academy. If this video added value to your English journey, please give it a big thumbs up right now. It truly helps this channel reach more learners around the world. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a lesson. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, which of these 5 secrets surprised you the most? Or which one will you try first? Write it below. I read every single comment. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and always remember, your English success story is already being written, one word, one sentence, one brave conversation at a time. See you in the next video. Bye for now.